Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at a review of the Akaso EK7000 action camera. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, aka the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and hiking videos, then you've come to the right place. Take your first step, click that subscribe button, and make sure to click that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Akaso EK7000 action camera. We're going to do a little review of it and let you guys know what I think about it. All right, so this is an action camera that I've used on my hiking trip of Blood Mountain, if you saw those videos. Also, I've done some cutaways with this video showing a secondary camera angle. Now, I have two of these cameras. I have in black and I also have one in silver. And what we're going to be talking about, I'm going to do a quick review of it, show you some of the features, and let you know my opinion on it and what I think about it. So, up front, price is anywhere from $59 to $69 on Amazon, according to what color you choose. Now, they have four color options. They have black, they have silver, they have blue, and they actually have a yellow. Now, some of the specs on this, it records in 4K. Now, I do not personally record in 4K because of the file size. I try to limit mine to 1080, but it does, let me look at my cheat sheet, it does 4K 25 frames per second, 2.7K in 30 frames per second, and 1080p in 60 frames per second. So really good video quality. Now, photos, it does 12 megapixel pictures, and you can take those in a single burst or time lapse. Got a little thunder rumbling. So that is some of the features of what this camera will do. Now, some of the other specs on this camera, it has a 170-degree wide angle lens. It comes with a remote that you can put, I don't have it with me, you can put on your wrist and you can actually take picture or video using that remote. It comes with two batteries and a charger, and it comes with a waterproof housing already. So you don't have to buy that extra, it comes with the waterproof housing. And this camera comes with a built-in Wi-Fi, at which point you can connect to your phone, your smartphone, and you can either download the photos or the videos straight to your phone, or you can control the camera with that. Now, it does require a micro SD card that does not come with it. And according to Akaso, they recommend a class 10. And I think the max that this camera will utilize and read is a 64 gig. I have 32. You can pick them up on Amazon as well. Mine's just a SanDisk Ultra. I know it's not going to focus on that little thing. And it just goes in right here on the side, if I put it in the right way. And it just clicks in. So you have two ports here. You have a micro USB and you have a charging port. This side you have an up and down button to use in either turning on the Wi-Fi or getting through the menu feature. You have a shutter button and an LED light. You have a power button and an LED light up front. And this is what it looks like. It is plastic. You can, and I purchased some on Amazon myself, but you can get a screen protector that fits these that goes on here. And that's what I've put on there just to kind of limit some scratches on there. The microphone is right, you see those holes, that is the microphone. This camera does not utilize an external mic. You cannot utilize an external mic with this. It does not have a built-in stabilization feature. That is the battery port. You pop that off and you have a little plastic tab. You can pull the battery out and then it clicks in and you just put that on there. So this is, like I said, the black one. I also have a silver, and really functionality for this, I love it. I've used this on my hike. Now, when I used this on my hike of the Blood Mountain Loop, I was not very familiar with it, so video wasn't the best. However, I've learned more about this since I started using it and used it more. So really good for the price, for what it does. If you are in the market for an action camera and you don't want to pay GoPro prices, this is definitely a beginner step for you. Now, it comes not only with the waterproof housing, but it also comes with a wide range of other attachments, bicycle mounts, helmet mounts, sticky attachments, all of that kind of thing. And you can use any GoPro mount for this. It mounts, they all use the same little mechanism here. So it's really nice. One cool feature that this camera does come with is it comes with the waterproof housing, but it also comes with a separate replacement back door for this housing in case you mess yours up, you break it, you crack it, whatever, you do have a replacement. Okay, so one of the cons with this camera is the audio quality. The audio quality is not the greatest. I did a test with using the waterproof housing versus not using it. I'll put that video in a card up top. But audio quality when you're using this is cut. I mean, there's no point in using this if you want to use audio. Now, with this being the microphone here, it does decent audio when you don't have it in the waterproof housing. All right, something else about this camera, it is not a touchscreen. For me, that wasn't a deal breaker, but it's not a touchscreen. It does have an upside down feature where you can go into the settings and flip it to where if you need to turn it upside down, it will record normal, but upside down. And you can record and plug in here and it will charge the battery while it's plugged in and record at the same time. So it does have that feature. All right, and we'll switch over and do screen record and show you how easy it is to connect to the camera. Basically, you want to power the camera on. This is your power button. And then when you go here, you click your down arrow, and what that will do is turn on your Wi-Fi. And then if you click it again, it will turn your Wi-Fi off. The up arrow will go to your playback menu to where you can go play the audio or the videos and see the pictures. And then this is your basically button to cycle through the menu. So if I click this front button, it will take me to the different options, which you have photo, you have time lapse, you have burst, and then you have the menu, your settings. So then you click your shutter button and it'll take you to all the settings, and you use your down arrow to go through those. And I don't know if it's going to focus, but you have video resolution, looping video, timestamp, exposure, photo resolution, burst photo, time lapse, continuous lapse, power frequency, language, date, and time. One thing about date and time, you do have to reset it every time you take your battery out. Sound indicator, upside down is your feature right there. And if you want to flip your screen, you would just go to that. Screensaver, power save, format to erase your SD card, reset, and version. So you have all those options that you can go in and adjust. Okay, so now that we looked at all the menu features, what we're going to do is turn our Wi-Fi on. I'm going to switch over to screen record and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect to your phone. Alright, so when I open up Wi-Fi, it automatically connects to my iCam because I've used it before. So let's get over here and open up the app and click the camera. And once it processes, this is our live view, what our camera is seeing. So if we click in the bottom left corner, that will pull up what we have on our camera, on our SD card, videos or photos. Right now we have nothing. So we can click in the top right corner and that'll give us our video resolution because we are in video mode. So you can see all the different video resolution options there. Now we click over to still mode and this will show us our resolution. You can change that. There's self timer. In the top left, we've got our battery. It does take some buffering at times, but for the most part it is smooth transition. So we just recorded a video and now it is showing in our videos. And you can click the little save button and you can save that to your phone or social media or whatever you want to do with it. So it is now recording. We'll keep this audio so you can hear the audio quality. But this is from the Akaso EK7000 in a test. Alright guys, well there you have it. If you are in the market for an action camera and you're on the fence as to which one to get, you don't want to quite spend the money on a GoPro and commit to that, then definitely check out the EK7000 from Akaso. I think it's a good entry level action camera for what it is, and for the price you pay it will get the job done. And I use it on multiple videos. You've seen it. Go check out my Blood Mountain loop. You can kind of see it there. Again, disclaimer is I was just getting used to it. I had just gotten the camera probably a week and a half before I left for that trip. So still trying to learn how to use it and how to kind of keep it stable. But it's a really good action camera for the price. You can pick one up for $59 and it comes with a pile of accessories. You can check out on Amazon what all it comes with. Now I purchased an accessory kit to go with mine and love it. I picked up that accessory kit because it had a few things that the Akaso did not come with, but I think overall, I think together they make a great accessory kit and a storage case for you to be able to store it in and carry it around with. So definitely check that out. All right guys, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.